Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, True Brand. We're standing here in my new 2010 New Country trailer that I'm renovating, and on this renovation, I'm not going to do contact paper anymore. I want to go, basically just take it a step further and start doing the epoxy countertops. So on this countertop, as you can see, I used a paint sprayer in here and I just went crazy and I forgot to cover up the countertops. But we're going to be doing this countertop. We're also going to be doing the table to the dinette set. And we're going to be doing the bathroom countertop. We're going to do a white countertop, but we have some marble spray. Comes out like a little bit like confetti. I'll show you guys what that looks like. So we're going to do a marble effect with it as well. But today we're only going to focus on just doing the prep work. So I'm gonna sand most of this paint off of here, clean it up pretty nicely, tape up everything, and put the plastic over everything that is like the stove and the walls and around here around the cabinets. I do have a new sink as well that we're going to be dropping in. And I made sure that I did a dry fit first, just so I make sure there's no surprises when I finish everything. And yeah, guys, let's get right into it. I saw a lot of people on YouTube do this, so it's going to be my first one. And hopefully I'll be able to carry this throughout all my other units. So, yeah.
You must kiss me more often from now on.
You know something? I feel this is my first victory over machines.
It's quite simple.
So we got as much paint off as we could. A lot of this paint is supposed to just be stuck, so it's okay. Because I'm going to be painting over it anyway. So now I'm about to just wipe it down and just get everything ready as far as the plastic and tape. Alright guys, so now we're about to get into the primer. We're going to be using this Zinsser stain cover primer. So this is a lot of people's channel using this, so we're going to use that. And we have a 6-inch 3/8 nap paintbrush. So I'm going to de-nap it or de-cotton it or whatever it's called before I use it, because it is a lot of stuff sticking off and I don't want none of that showing. And I'm basically going to probably do that through the whole process because I've seen other people do it. So guys, as you can see, I put a thick coat of primer, did about 2 coats. And tomorrow we're gonna come back in with the eggshell pure white paint. And yeah, gonna let this cure overnight. See you tomorrow. Alright guys, so our coat of paint has dried. Now we're gonna get into the marbling effect. And I have the marble effect spray that I got off of Amazon. I did a couple test sprays. To figure out how to get that to be a consistency like that right there. So let's get right into it, man. I don't know what to expect.
Afraid not.
But I still say the flower.
If you like.
spray of the marble effect throughout the whole thing. Right here, I had to spray some spray paint and start over. I kind of want to I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna go over it now, guys, with the epoxy. This epoxy Pro Marine that I got off of Amazon, 62 bucks for a gallon. I hope this is enough. If it's not, I'm gonna hurry up and run to what's it called, Lowe's, and get some more. Home Depot doesn't have it. Lowe's has it though. It has that really clear, thick epoxy that they use on bar countertops and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna get these mixing with the mixing tool. I got my 2 buckets. I'm gonna do an even pour in both, and yeah, we're gonna start. Alright guys, we're gonna pour now.
And are necessary here, as the air is unstable.
But I still say they're flowers.
If you like.
Make sure that when you're pouring your epoxy that it's really even. Make sure you bring it up to the front and pour it over the edges so you can get it all up on the edges. You can even use a glove to smash it up all on the edges so you can get it to be, really even on there.
I'm afraid no.
Yeah, I felt bad. After spreading your epoxy, guys, make sure that you use a heat gun to get all the air bubbles out, and you'll see the air bubbles out. Just run it across and they'll all pop so you can get an even spread. So as you can see, guys, the countertops came out very clean. I'm super satisfied with the end result. I'm definitely gonna be doing this on the rest of my trailers. This one's getting ready for sale for right now. As you can see, the dinette table came out beautiful. That nice glossy top. I'm proud of my marble effect sprays. And the bathroom, again, guys, just came out pristine. I definitely had to buy some more epoxy. I ran out. A gallon wasn't enough for these, so I bought a 2-gallon jug for my next project. And thank you guys for watching my video on epoxying countertops. I'm definitely going to have some more videos on this epoxy journey because I'm definitely want to dabble in some more designs for my next RV. I'm about to have another one pull back up in here soon, so we're going to try something different on that one. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe to the video, guys. I have a lot more other content on my channel as far as RVs, so definitely stick around. See ya.